Alright, so before we begin the video, let's take a look at the online listing here. So we can see on Selman Chevrolet, this is a new 2022 Silverado. That's the RST package, two-wheel drive, crew cab, and it has the diesel. Let's pull up the window sticker real quick. And there you go. Here we have a 2022 refreshed Silverado RST package. And what's really cool is this one's actually a Duramax. So I haven't driven one of these just yet. So hopefully here we can provide some footage of a test drive of one of those with a Duramax. Taking a look underneath the hood, you see it's a 3-liter turbo diesel 6-cylinder, 277 horse, 460 foot-pound of torque with 28 mpg combined. So basically what I was explaining right here is that this is essentially a trail boss made for the streets. So as far as the equipment that you get and what's standard with it, obviously you won't get the off-road chops that the trail boss comes with, but you are getting most of those features, at least for the interior. Logos, color matched handles, and here's the window sticker for you. So it comes out around at 58,250. And let's go take a look at the rear. So you can see you have the RST badging there on the right side. And let's pop the tailgate. So you can do it actually just with a key. And you're gonna see it softly come down. Really nice feature to have. Now this one doesn't have the multi-flex tailgate, but the good part is at least the Silverados still do have the bed step right there. And you can kind of put your hand in right there and climb up pretty easily. And this one does have the spray and bed liner with the bow tie logo. And this one, oh, I forgot to mention, does have the cargo tie downs and the bed lighting on both sides. All right, let's hop down from the tailgate. And okay, we have to use the button on the tailgate to lift it back up, and you can see it go up right now. Nice and soft. Really convenient features to have. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, taking a look at the interior here, we have some padded fake leather around the arm areas right there. And then at the top, it looks like some fake wood, but it's still pretty nice. And then we look over at the door handle. It's a little bit smaller than last year. So I would have liked if they kept it the same as the ones that were on last year's trucks. Actually pulling the bigger handle, and here I feel like my fingers kind of get jammed. But either way, it still definitely works perfectly fine. We have the same steering wheel as last year as well. So not too much of a change from that perspective. But then we look at the rest of the interior and we see a pretty big change. We have the giant touchscreen here. We have a digital display, which I can turn on for you right here. You can see the startup animation. Definitely a really big upgrade from last year. And this RST is actually going to have the paddle shifters just like on the Trail Boss and the ZR2. And then with the mirror, you can actually flip it. Oh, this one doesn't have it. Okay, so you can option it to have the camera mirror, but on this one it does not have it. You can see the new vents, and there's a little button right here you can click, and that will pop right open. There we go. And we can take a look at the new shifter. So this one, in order to shift it, you're going to hold this button while you have your foot on the pedal and go forward to reverse, backward to drive, and then you have to hit the parking button when you want to park. So you're going to see you have a wireless phone charger. Open this up. They actually give you the organizers included now. You have the wall outlet, USB-A, USB-C. Open that up. You have a light down there. Lots of room. And let's go take a look at the rear seats. So this one has a lot of room back here, as you can see. So I was a bit confused during this part. I realized that underneath there was actually the rear underseat storage. So I thought maybe that was a subwoofer or they were working on the truck because of the cable there. But anyways, that's the rear underseat storage. We have the rear vents, USB-A, USB-C. And let's turn off the truck. But yeah, really cool truck. So to wrap up the video, I think that they did a pretty great refresh on this truck. I think the front end looks a lot better for sure. I like the new driving lights, and overall this is a great improvement to the RST.
This is Jim Tarkington with Selman Chevrolet. If you want no hassle, straightforward pricing, reach out to me. Mention you were referred from this channel and TTR Auto to get special exclusive pricing just for their members.